How's it going, everybody? It's Go Green PM, and it's a beautiful day today. I think it's only -2 degrees Celsius, so a lot more enjoyable. So I thought I'd come out and play with the Savage 64, and I've got one of these little 1-pound propane tanks, and I'm kind of curious on what's going to happen. It is empty, mind you, but I'm going to see if I can get you set up here. And we're going to take a few shots at it. Obviously you want to make sure there's nobody around for this. And 1, 2, 3. Oh, hold on. Oh, nothing happened there. It hit right on the seam, and look at the hole it blew in that tank. There's still gas coming out, but it blew a hole in that propane tank. I'm actually quite surprised. And wow, is that tank cold all of a sudden. All that propane rushing out. But look at that. That's incredible. And that's with, I'll show you the rounds. So with Winchester Wildcat 22s. They're 22 high velocity. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. And I'm about, I don't know, I'd say 30 feet away. Nothing too far, but I'm gonna set up here and we'll shoot it a bunch more. Okay, well, set back up there and let's pump some rounds into it and see what happens. Obviously it's already blown up, or punctured, so not too much. Let's go have a look. 9 rounds after the first one in there. Most of them went right through. Went right through one side and right out the other. Just blew that propane tank apart. Oh, it's a fun target. Now, that's what happens when you shoot a small propane tank with nothing in it. I've seen, obviously, there's a few TV shows that you shoot it and it explodes, but maybe with a tracer round. But thanks for joining me today, and there's a little bit of shooting with my Savage 64. Have a good day. Okay, well, now we're gonna try it with the 870 Remington 12 gauge, and all I've got here right now is birdshot. So, and I do have a new propane tank over there. So, get it set up here quickly, and then get this loaded. All right, loaded. Now I don't have my battery in my red dot scope here, so we'll try it like this. Not a bad shot, but just kind of winging it. Right, look what it did to that. I don't know if you can see that. Here, let me back this up. One pellet actually made it through. All the rest are just all around the tank. Pretty good grouping, actually. I'm impressed. For 30 feet, that's not bad. It's pretty tight. It's full choke on here, so. But yes, not bad at all. Got one more shot on here, and then I'm probably going to go back to the 22. Alright, I don't even think I hit it too well there. I took my battery out of my red dot scope, so I'm just kind of guessing where I'm shooting. Yeah, didn't even barely hit it. I think I hit off to the left there. But there you go. That's what happens when you hit it with a 870 Remington with birdshot. So, alright, well thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a good day.